Hi, my name is Lakshman, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to add and display multiple authors on a WordPress post. As you can see, currently this particular WordPress post has been written by three authors here. So in this particular post, these first two authors are the WordPress users for this website, and the last author, he is just a guest author, so he doesn't have any user accounts in the WordPress admin dashboard, and it has been created just for the particular post here. Now let me explain how you can do something like this on your particular website. Before I start, let me tell you that I have written this particular blog post here that you are seeing, and you can find it in the description section below, which has got everything that you need to get started. Now here I have installed a simple WordPress website, just the WordPress website, a default that comes with the default WordPress theme 2021, and this is how it looks like with a fresh install of WordPress. And there are a couple of posts that I have written by two users here, and I'll taking an example on this particular website how to add multiple authors. So let me tell you one more thing, that this particular process will also depend on your WordPress theme, on what version of WordPress theme you are using, and you might need to figure out how to adjust the particular code according to your theme. So it might be wiser to refer to your theme in the later part of this video as well. Now let me take you through the steps. First thing first, what we need to do is, once you are logged into your WordPress admin dashboard, just go to the plugin section and search for a plugin called Co-Authors Plus. This is available for free and it's a simple lightweight plugin. So we'll be installing this Co-Authors Plus plugin in the website to make it possible to display multiple authors on the website or on the WordPress post. Once it has been installed, there's no any configuration to be done here. It's simple, just click and install. Now let me take you back to the post here. So let's go to this post. Currently, as you can see, there's only one author that has written this particular post. So let me edit the post here, and as you can see, you can notice that there's a separate author section here, which has been moved somewhere from here to the here, where I can search for different authors or guest authors or users. So for now, let me just add another existing WordPress user or WordPress author for this particular post. Now my other user is John Snow, so I have got two users here. So let me add John Snow as author for this page. So I can do this by simply searching for name or by username as well. All right, so you can see that I have just selected another author for this post. Now let me update it, and once it has been updated, let me go and view this post. Okay, but still you can see that it has not been updated at the front part of this blog. I can see it at the back end of this website, but at the front part there's still the same thing like before. There's just only one author. So how can we display multiple authors for this particular post or for the website? So there's a quick way to do by adding a simple code or by modifying a code in our WordPress admin dashboard. So if I take you back to the plugin section and then take you to the description of the plugin here that we are using, it says that on the front end, use this template tag to list any authors that you would normally list the author. So this is well documented, and you can refer to this documentation to make changes to your website as well. So what it says here is we generally need to look for a template tag like author or the author post link, in which can be found in the files like single.php or author.php or template tags.php, and then replace those tags with co-author post underscore links tag. So here is an example how the author posts underscore link can be replaced with co-author post underscore link, and this is how this is done to prevent your site from breaking if co-author plus isn't activated. So in case if your plugin is deactivated, then if you have placed this code somewhere else, or then this will prevent it from breaking the website. And also, as I told earlier, that it will also depend on your particular theme of your website. Here's one example for the hybrid theme now, and then there's another example for the WordPress default theme that came a bit earlier, 2010, but you might be using the latest version of WordPress theme, so you might need to adapt this or modify this to match to your WordPress theme. So currently, as I said earlier, I am using the default WordPress theme that came with my WordPress installation, that's 2021. So what I'll do is sorry I'll just sorry yeah so I'll just modify this code to match to 2021. So it's for 2010. All I need to do is just replace 2010, like here, like 2010 by 2011. So this is what I did here. So I just modified that code and then replace 2010 with 2021, and the rest, it all remains same. And one more thing I missed to mention, you can find this code for 2021 if you go to appearance and then theme editor, and you can find this code at this location. So we'll go to ink and then template tags, and here's the code that we are looking for. So I'll just copy this code from here, from that says fonts and from this line till all this code here, and then go back to this theme editor, and then I'll just replace it from here, sorry just before the line that says about the footer. So let me just select this and replace it by the code that I just copied from the blog post that I have written. So also, it's wiser to make changes to your themes file by making a child theme instead of making changes or adding code directly to your parent theme. So once you have made changes, just update it, and then let's go back to this particular post here. So is money everything? So we have assigned two authors for this post, but there's only one appearing currently. So after we have added this code here, let's see if it works. Now you can see here by Betty Cooper and John. That means we have got multiple authors being displayed on the front end part of this website. So I told you earlier that both of these authors are the current users of this WordPress website. What if you want to create just an author account, not an user? So in that case, if you go to authors and guest authors after installing the plugin, just tap on guest authors. You can add guest author like here that I did previously. So I'll just delete it for now and then add a new guest author. So I'll write it as guest author and James Brown, and then you can also give more details here. Once done, just tap on update guest author, and we have just created one guest author. So if I want to assign guest author to my post, then what I need to do is I need to just search by name. So it was James, and then it has been selected here, and then let me update it over here. And if I go back and refresh this page, you can see here by Betty Cooper John and guest author. So if I change the display name is James Brown, it should be displaying as James Brown instead of the guest author. So this is it. So one last example, let's do it here. For this post, currently there's just one author for this post. Let me add more author, and then let's just add two. And also I can drag and move up and down, so for the order of the particular author. So as you can see here, it has been updated, and as I have dragged and reassigned the order, the order of the authors has been changed. This is it. Hope this video was useful. If you have got confusion, I suggest you to visit this blog post that I have written here, and then if you have got any comments to make, leave a comment section here so I can reply back to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.